Am I the a-hole for making inappropriate noises when my mother-in-law called my husband's phone at 2 a.m.? My husband Kevin and I got married months ago. Ever since we moved away, his moms started calling more often. She had a mental breakdown when she heard we were moving. She begged us to stay near cause she needs him, though her 2 older sons are there. Anyhow, she'd call at random times then started calling in the middle of the night, specifically at 2 a.m. I thought that was so weird, but she said she wanted to hear Kevin's voice but was too busy to call during the day. Kevin responds to her call every time, saying he's worried there might be an emergency. It's exhausting and completely ruins our alone time. I asked her to call at like 10 but no, she kept calling.